And lo and behold, I forgot to wear my earplugs. I'm forgetting tons of things today, but we're running late. It's 6:10. We're running a bit late. I need also grab snacks, lunch. I need to grab lunch. Well, we're going to be doing that once we get to work. There's a gas station nearby, so we'll just go there and grab snacks over there. I got my wallet, got my phone, got my keys, got my door lock thing. Alright, backpack is set. Heavy as fuck with my laptop. Yeah, my laptop, I packed it like on Friday, so I don't forget it. This should be good. Let's get out of the way. Hey, it's not as dark as it was the other day. It's because I'm running a bit late, I guess. Alright, fam. Let's get on the road. I'm gonna blow my eardrums out. But hey, it is what it is. Backpack on, set. Okay, yada yada yada. I don't know what's wrong with the bulb here. It works half the time it doesn't. Alright. Enough chit chat. Let's head on the road. I'll wait for that car to go. Recording. This might be one of those days where I have to actually open up the vents. Alright, out of town on the highway. See how this goes at nighttime, guys. Something might call me crazy. Mom will definitely call me crazy. She's commuting this way too. Now that we got that out of the way, I have to check back on the video once I get home tonight and see if it was actually fog or if it's just my visor that was like steaming up from that's like covered in like, I don't know, some type of dust or something. Except for the wind noise coming into my visor. I'm sorry guys if you guys are hearing a ton of it. Cover the windshield. I got rid of the windshield, so see how it goes. I might need to put the duct tape on the visor holes for the bottom visor and then over top because I think noise is still coming in, the wind is still coming in even if the visor is closed. So I'm gonna do that probably when I get to the office, so on the ride back it's not as bad. Wait, what are the Red Bulls on still? Oh, it's a pineapple, you know?